At H2O, there's kind of like pop-up meets. People will post online like, everyone meet here if you have so-and-so car. They usually get broken up in like 3 minutes, but we'll see how it goes. So this one is an S chassis meet, so it should be cool. All right, explain what this is, a Laurel.
So, yeah, it's a Nissan Laurel. It's a Skyline drivetrain, S13 suspension, and it's a gangster four-door
That sounds amazing. So I've been seeing these pop up everywhere lately, but you don't hear a lot about them. They're definitely a cool car though.
Yeah, I definitely like it because it's the underdog.
Sure. These are definitely slept on, like really heavy.
Fenders for them.
Yeah, whatever. There it is, RB20, big old boat anchor that makes noises.
Yep.
That thing's ice.
Yeah?
Look at it.
Turbo too.
That's so good.
You in your feels right now?
Oh, dude, this thing's sick. Very tight.
Dude, look at the 4x4 fenders. You sell your 240 and build one of these.
I said, you want a Silvia? Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about.
This is your style.
This is what I wanted to do if my car was a right-hand drive. Steph, you know what motor this is?
So a J.
Which one?
I'm gonna say 1.
Yeah. You're doing great. So 1Js fit in E36s beautifully. I mean, look at this thing. I mean, they come with a straight 6 already, but the problem is, the reason why I couldn't do this swap, and this is probably the best swap you could do for an E36, is my steering shaft goes right here, and the turbo would be in the way. Even with a top mount, downpipe would be in the way. I mean, if I really wanted to, I could do some crazy shit and make it fit, but for you E36 guys, probably one of the easiest and cheapest swaps you could do in this chassis is a 1J. Just because you could use your factory transmission, and usually the expensive part on a JZ swap is the transmission. So, I mean, look at it, it fits right the hell in there. So if anyone's wondering what I think you should do, buy an E36, put a damn 1J in it. All right, we got kicked out, but it's gonna take a while to actually get kicked out. So.
And the guy was nice about it. He had a tucked-in polo shirt, so you got to be nice to people who tuck in their polo shirts.
Hey, Judy.
Damn! Callie, what are you doing? You calling
Get
traffic
the heck
jam?
out of here, guy!
Get out of here.
I gotta do a 19-point turn, my guy.
Oh, so gorgeous. Don, there are so many beautiful Zankies.
Yeah, dude, look at her S15, dude.
Actually took longer for the cops to come than I thought, which is pretty cool. The S14 lineup this year is pretty impressive.
Yeah, there's a lot of S14s. There's more of everything else than 240s.
Yeah,
but,
which is cool. I mean, I'm fine with that.
Yeah,
So let's
I
get a
want
Zenki.
a Zenki.
So bad.
I like them.
What up?
We came out to Five Guys, get some food, and we found some pretty bitchin' Z32s. It's really cool to see these cars.
There's
Like,
some nice BMWs, too.
we'll get to that. But you don't really see a lot of, like, I guess, stance nice, cool Z32s that often. So this one's cool. This one's a 2+2 right-hand drive, just like my black one. It's actually on bags, which is crazy. I've never seen anything on bags before.
He has the front bumper that I bought and just haven't installed yet. I need to, because look how gorgeous this front bumper is. You think it's cute?
Yeah, it's so much nice and smaller.
I see you. Once again, J-Spec front bumper in my face.
It's so weird.
Brian, what are you doing? What are you doing, Brian? You good, Bree?
What's up, guys? I was just practicing.
All right, so we're just gonna do what we always do, and if you don't know what to do, drive around so you can find a cool spot to hang out. There's pop-up car meets all the time. You just gotta get lucky. That's all.
We gotta find the list. Somebody DM the list.
the list. We need the list.
There should be.
Let's go find something.
We didn't look for it. They're just yelling at. Kenny, we sent you a picture.
That is so awesome. Who needs a turbo? Get an H6.
No placement for this placement.
Hold on, let me get a sound sample. Looking at you, Kenny. This just ends.
I put it in my
Mustang flip.
From JPS 14 reporting live.
What kind of car event would it be without a Mustang flipping over?
Mustangs and crowds don't get along.
Damn.
We're getting locked up.
You serious?
It's Mustang. That's why.
So here's something pretty cool. A lot of you guys might know this, but I had no idea. Is the front bumper on this car?
It's obviously E36 coupe, but I do always see
Look at that lip.
finished projects like
Molded in compared to the stock one. It's kind of bulky. It kind of looks like the IS300 front lip. I think it's really cool. It's actually like an AC Schnitzer body style panel. You can just get reps of them because I'm assuming the real one's like probably $800, but
I think I might have to get this. That thing is really cool. It's amazing, dude. I have such a soft spot for Zenki, so like 33 like shit.
Oh, 33 is my favorite. That's why I had to jump on it.
So it's a GTSD, so it's a real drive RB25 with a Type M kit on it. This is goals all day. Just a boaty ass Zenki.
best subscriber gift ever.
Yeah.
All right, Scott.
Multiple.
What is this? What is
Okay,
happening
this
right now?
is pulled pork, and you were lucky enough to get the last one in Ocean City.
The last
The last one in Ocean City.
The last.
Yes.
So Scott is a subscriber from Baltimore.
Yes,
right?
correct.
He has a barbecue shop. He does steel drum
barbecue
smoke-
videos.
Barbecue videos too. He's got a channel. Check him
Correct.
out. I'll put his link in the description.
All right.
But he's been a long time subscriber. Cool ass dude. Always engaging. Really cool.
Yeah,
guy,
I even
so.
sent him some stuff every now and again.
Oh hell, we got a calendar.
Yeah, and stickers. You got stickers today too.
So I cannot wait to try this. This is the coolest thing ever.
Yeah. Like I said, I didn't warm it up in case you didn't want to eat it now, but it goes great with eggs. Make an omelet out of it.
Okay.
Put it on some pizza later tonight.
Shit.
I mean,
It goes good with everything. It's pulled pork. Fuck. I like how everyone's looking at this spray painted golf when it's a GTR.
man, John.
Love it. Big BRT right here. This is B Hall's favorite. Super party. I guess everyone gets a super today, JP.
What's up, dude? There's so much money sitting here. It's
So
insane.
much money.
It's insane.
Who knows?
Big ass animals.
You on this man's story?
Bimmy.
Oh, you're on the vlog. Hey, listen. Hey, listen. This is gonna be your drop, right? Because everybody's like, oh, let me get an H2O video. My man went, right? Come on.
Don't gas
Come on.
it,
Come
bro.
on.
Don't
Come
gas.
on.
Don't gas.
Hey, listen. Right. Come on, no. Come follow me. Look at this shit, bruh. Look. Hey, also, my man's mom's though. 10 out of 10 on all my friends. He got the baddest mom. Hey, shout out Sylvia Templin.
Oh my God.
No pictures, please. No pictures. No pictures.
I don't know what I look like.
Fucking Bobby Light.
Oh my God.
My name Isaac.
Hey, we're the hardest rap.
It's not different.
That's a goddamn neon.
Damn, this could be me, huh? How hot is that?
You could be this.
I could be this. It's gonna be me eventually.
It's gonna happen, guys. I swear, it's still gonna happen. I'll get to it.
Damn.
What are you gonna do with it?
Daily it? Yeah. Okay.
It's nothing. Literally nothing.
You're the tallest one out there. You're trying to hide.
Aw, shit.
Bighorn. No Ronings for you this year.
Oh, I got one.
You're nuts.
DJ, you actually came. I didn't think you'd actually show up.
Oh, shit. You ready to get arrested, Chip?
No. No.
Let's get Chip arrested at
Let's not say we did.
All right, so
The spot was literally amazing for like 5 hours, but
And we got here.
yeah,
cops are all gone. John Lee is here. What's up, homie?
What's up,
But
man?
we're about to head up to
56th Street, and that's the crazy spot. So let's go.
DJ, you sweating yet?
Am I sweating?
Yeah.
I ain't sweating. I'm cool.
It's a lot of stadiums.
It's a little hot right now, but it's good.
I dare ya.
Wait. Wow. I bet he doesn't have a JB4. No JB4.
Well, guys, it's about that point. It's about that part where it's just kind of super late. and it's kind of calmed down. The strip's always going. There's always cool cars on the strip, but the big meets, parties, I guess the recklessness has calmed down a little bit. So late as hell. I have to go edit this damn video, go to sleep, and start it all over again. So today was another awesome ass day. We spent most of the day down at the gas station. Seemed to be the hot spot. People in and out. Met a lot of cool people. Met a lot of subscribers. It was definitely an awesome time. So, of course, if anyone's down here at H2O, don't be scared to come say hi. I'm just another damn dude with a camera, so don't be intimidated or anything. But it's been cool though.
It has been awesome.
It's been awesome. A lot of cool subscribers have come up and said hi to me. I met a lot of people, and it's awesome. It's what it's all about. So, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And Steffi.
Good night, everybody.